Cancer cells do messy and subversive work. They multiply in a random and rapid manner. Their reproduction is uncontrolled and neighboring cells may be destroyed. Cancer is a type of tumor or lumps that come out of control of the body because of the destruction of its DNA code. Tumors are two primary types: benign tumor and cancerous tumor. The first is multiplying in one place, does not hit the neighboring cells, and does not spread to other places. Second, the cancer cells grows more quickly than healthy cells and destroys adjacent cells and may pass through the blood to other organs, so it also spreads away from where it started. Each cell has its own work done as long as it is capable. When get old is unable to perform her duties, a slow death start for it until the body's immune system know about it, then go and swallow it and bring it out. When the immune system weakens and when the proportion of dying or damaged cells is high to the point of accumulation, and the immune system is weak, it cannot get rid of the aging, dying cells. They remain damaged living cells, survive when they should be die. And they develop a tumor and may become cancer if not treated. Some of them are unusual damage remains alive without being recognized by the body's immune system until become cancer, when at that moment the immune system can detect. But if the immune system is weak, they will multiply faster than their capacity of this system and worsen the situation. These cells reproduce in distorted copies because they no longer multiply according to DNA code, which is destructive or distorted as a result of its disintegration and the slow death of the cells. The rapid and uncontrollable reproduction of a contagious group of cell and its random sabotage acts against healthy cells work, called cancer or malignant tumors, which do not give any human consciousness until through pain. The basic fuel for the body's cells, especially the brain, is glucose. The cancerous cells, when they get food, they multiply by their availability because they have no structure to manipulate or control their growth and reproduction. So, the first lover of the cancer cells is the glucose. Some types of cancers in the lymphatic system, especially the breast, also feed in by two vitamins, the copper and zinc. The first accelerates the division of the cancer cell and the second increases its activity. Knowing that the body needs them as essential vitamins, but they must be adjusted to the minimum in the case of this type of cancer. The cancer cell in the lymphatic system contains 4 times more copper atoms than the healthy cell. Study 1. B12 and the folic acid is a protective substance which helps nerve cells to communicate with each other. Without B12 and folate, DNA can eventually break down to the point where mutations of cancer can occur. Approved. Study 2. Folic acid and B12 supplementation were associated with a 21% increased risk for cancer, especially for lung cancer, for treatment of 3 months or more. Decision. Regulate folic acid and B12 level between minimum and the 60% of maximum recommended. Look laboratory range values. In the first study, the level shall not fall below the necessary minimum amount. Next episode, what are cancer types? The third episode, what cause or lead to cancer? The consecutive next episodes, what are the ways to prevent and how to fight cancer naturally?